Hello, grade 3. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to learn a new feature of birds. Okay, it's about feet of birds. Now, in the previous topics, you have learned about feathers of birds, then you have also learned about beaks of birds, right? And today we are going to learn about feet of birds. Now, just like different kinds of birds have different kinds of beak, depending on what kind of food they eat, in the same way birds also have different kind of feet. These feet help them to live, to make their nest, and to catch their food. Okay, so let's look at some of the different types of feet that have been given in your workbook. So in your workbook S3 you will find there are 5 different types of feet of birds given. Okay, let's discuss each one of them. So when you look at the first feet, you can see that the feet has very sharp claws, and the claws are really big and they are curved like this. Okay, and these kind of feet are actually very strong, and the claws are very powerful. Now keep this in mind, these kind of feet belongs to birds which eat other animals. Okay, because this kind of claws which will help them to hold on to other animals, tear the flesh, okay, and eat. That's why they have this kind of claws and feet. So now look at the next one. The next one, if you look at the next feet, it looks webbed. It is webbed. It means that the 3 toes are joined together, okay, through a thin layer. Now this kind of feet belongs to birds which actually live in water, such as a duck. Okay, this kind of feet helps them to swim in water easily. This kind of feet, this kind of webbed feet help them to push against the water and swim. Now look at the third picture. The third picture, you can see that there are 4 toes, but out of the 4 toes, 3 toes are in the front and 1 toe is at the back. Now the reason why this kind of birds have such feet is this kind of birds usually spend most of their time sitting on branches. So when a bird is sitting on a branch, it has to hold on to a branch very tightly. So the 3 toes will hold towards the front and the 4th toe will hold towards the back. That's the reason why these kind of birds have such feet. 3 toes at the front, 1 toe at the back, so that they can hold on to branches tightly. Okay, now the 4th one, in the 4th picture you will see that they have 4 toes obviously, but then the toes are very long. This kind of toes will be found in birds that usually eat fish. They move around places that has lots of water, such as river banks, such as cranes or kingfisher. They will have this kind of feet, because this kind of feet help them to hold themselves or in muddy places or in slippery places. Okay, these kind of toes are long and they are spread out. Okay, that's why this kind of long feet helps birds such as cranes or kingfisher to hunt near river banks. Now look at the last one. The last one belongs to birds such as a hen, who spend most of their time walking on the ground. Now these kind of toes are 3 toes in the front, or you can just say that 4 toes are all spread out so that they get more balance on the ground. So you have seen that these are just few examples. I'm not saying that these are the only kind of feet that we have, but these are just few examples of different kinds of feet that birds have. Okay, and why do they need to have so many different kinds of feet? Because every bird has a different habitat means a place to live, the place where they live. A place where an animal lives is called a habitat, and different kinds of birds have different habitat, and the way they hunt is different, the kind of food that they eat is different, the way they build their nest is different. That's why they need different kinds of toes, and they need different kinds of feet, and they also need different kinds of beak to live in their own surroundings. Okay, now you know about a penguin, right? A penguin lives in a very cold place, so, and it is also a very good swimmer. Can you guess what kind of feet a penguin will have? Will it have will it have a feet with sharp claws, or will it have long feet? No. a penguin is a very good swimmer, which means it has webbed feet. Okay, 3 toes are joined together so that these 3 toes can help them to push against the water. Okay, and this kind of webbed feet also helps them to walk easily on snow. That's why they have webbed feet. So different birds have different kinds of beaks, and they also have different kinds of feet that helps them to live in their surroundings. Now when you look at a bird, such as when you look at this kind of toes which has sharp, very sharp claws, keep these in mind that these kind of birds will have sharp and hooked beak to eat other animals. And if you see this kind of a webbed feet, they will mostly have a flat and broad beak that helps them to eat fish. Okay, so I hope you understood this lesson. So that will be all for today. Thank you.